Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chisholm and today I'm going to show you how I got this goth baddie look. So today I'm going to be trying goth inspired makeup. I have inspiration that I've gathered on Pinterest. I'll shoot them up. So I feel like what these girls have in common is really intense highlighting, a dark lip, intense contour, heavy black eye makeup. I was kind of having trouble because I didn't really know what actually constituted as goth. So I am just trying my best and copying Pinterest. So if you want to blame someone for this not being goth, blame Pinterest, not me. I'm actually using different products this time because I ran out of what I used to have, so I don't have a choice. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Mocha. It's actually a little bit light. Let me pull my hair back. My hairstylist literally burnt me when she was putting this in. No hate to her because I know it was an accident, but like the scar is crazy. Use my foundation with it. This is the Westmore Beauty Instantly Flawless foundation, but it is like actually really nice. I would highly recommend it. I want really full coverage because I think I'm gonna do like super glam, and I feel good today. Like I'm happy that I decided. Wow, look how flawless that is. That's incredible. Yeah, I actually might have made it so much worse, but I am not changing it at this point. I'm gonna go for a bright under eye. Even though it's not in the inspo, I just have to add my own twist of bright under eye. Like, I just love the way it looks. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C11.2. Okay, so let me talk about what happened to me. A couple of weeks ago, me and my family went on a retreat. On our way back, we stopped at this diner. It was like a silver diner. And my mom, she asked for a coffee because she was saying that she was tired and like needed like a boost before she went home. And when the waiter placed that cup on our table, there was a bright red lipstick stain like on the lip of the cup. We obviously told him to send it back because that's disgusting, but I couldn't help but think like, because it didn't even look like the plate was washed at all. It just looked like they just took it from somebody else's table and gave it to us. So now I'm just thinking about the ran throughness of all the utensils we use at restaurants. So what I've been doing, if it dries out too much, the concealer, I will just spray this rose water and give like, why is this? Okay, you know what rose water looks like. It helps it like stay moist and like blendable, and it doesn't interfere with your makeup. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C1. So this is actually the lightest they have. It's just white. I actually kind of used a lot, but I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. I feel like it'll turn out good. Yeah, so as you can see, I brought the concealer like on the inside so that it'll help me have like a more defined nose contour. And I'm gonna go with one last concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix in the shade Deep Tan. It's like a hot kind of trying to make it like more of a goth like baddie. Ooh, should that be the title of the video? There's some straight brow action going on. Do I even know how to do that? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna brush them as straight as possible and then fill them in like that. So don't know if this is working, but I heard girls use like what's it called, like wig adhesive to put their eyebrows in shape because it helps them like stay. So I'm gonna spray it on my spoolie. Hopefully this doesn't ruin it, which it probably will. I'm making them really thin also by just like putting them over each other. So I'm gonna use this pencil eyeliner and just fill them really straight. Making them also very dark as well. I'm going to use the lighter concealer under, and then I'm going to use like a skin tone one or darker up above. I noticed from the picture that's what they do. I'm kind of bringing it out to extend to the nose contour, just so everything connects. I've never done my eyebrows like that before. I'm gonna use the setting powder and I'm gonna set my highlight with it. So I'm gonna take my Color wait, what is this? Black Radiance Color Perfection stick. And I put it in this like flat brush. I'm gonna go down the sides of my nose with it, like right over in the middle here where I did the highlight. So I'm gonna take this and go down the middle of my nose. This is so not straight. I take this and I go down my cheeks and I bring it kind of like down the chin a little bit just so it's like more, I don't know. And I take like a slanted brush and I buff it like upwards. Right under it, I'm just gonna use this, what I have left on here, just to kind of like accentuate that. So going right under this side and then bringing it down the sides a little. Kind of want to like make it go slimmer as it go in. I feel like that kind of hollows you out a bit. Like, see how this side looks compared to this side? I feel like eyeliner is really make or break with Goth makeup. This is the Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little inner corner liner. I feel like it looks good though so far. Here is the real tea. I'm gonna put it up, but like there's like this like crying eyeliner effect that I've seen some of the girls do, and I really want to try it. And then I'll do a little bit of the liquid just to make it look more wet, I guess. This is hard. I'm gonna do a teeny bit of blush. I literally should have done it before, but so we're gonna do a dark lip and my trusty black eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna put some NYX Butter Gloss and Bit of Honey on top. I'm gonna take the black eyeliner again and kind of like smudge out the bottoms. I'm gonna do my hair off camera and I'll come back fully like goth baddie, okay? Okay, so I feel like I look so good. This is the finished goth like baddie look. I just look really like tough, like I don't know, like like don't mess with me type stuff. Like oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures for the thumbnail, but thank you so much for watching. So let me know if you end up recreating this look. I feel like it's just so sick, like, you know, and like the tears kind of add like sadness.